Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn some basic programming about Python. What is Python? Why learn Python? Python is one of the highest level programming language. It's easy to learn, take less time to write code, shorter and easier to read, and they are more likely to English language. It means more likely to the human language. Why learn Python? Python is easier to learn than C, C++, C Sharp, or Java programming language. If you write 10 lines of code in Java, you might write about 3 to 5 lines of code in Python. Python is also an object-oriented programming language. It's portable and support on different platforms such as Linux, Unix, and Windows. You can write a script to connect to the database, everyday tasks of web, everyday tasks for web to display the graph in the statistic field, and the most powerful is to connecting to the libraries and other development tools. Now, let's start Python. Open your browser and then go to www.python.org and then click on download and then click Python and then click download the latest version. Right now my platform is on Mac OS, so Mac OS 10, so click on that one, click on that icon. Right now it's successful in a successful download and you can open right now. Okay, right now it seems like I download 2 times already, so let's install. For the installation, by double clicks on that one and follow the instruction for the installation. And then you will be done. So the installation is much easier, it's much easy as you install other application. So I don't want to show for this part because it's quite easy, so you can install by yourself. So after you install, you're gonna to go to idle. Okay, that idle. Right now, go to idle. So in Python, there are 2 modes that you're going to write. So this is called alternative mode. Alternative mode is when a run instruction one at a time, and another one is a script mode. So example, if you want to write Python, example, you want to print hello world. That is a alternative mode that you can run one instruction at a time. Okay, when you are writing, this is very important. When you are writing a code in Python, you have to be careful uh, about the case sensitive. So you must be careful about the distinguish between upper and lowercase letter. And one more thing to be careful is about the indentations when starting with a new line. And if you want to use the command out for the instruction that you don't want Python to execute, you just use a pound sign. Okay, so right now, go and start with the script mode. Script mode, you just only go to the file and then click new file, and then you can write the script mode. So right now I go to write print hello world. Okay, so when you are writing the code, it start. Okay, to the function. This is the syntax to print the line, to to okay, to show the line hello world, we use print. And at the end, we don't use semicolon as C or C++ or Java. We just use print and then hello world. Okay, and then right now I can save the file save as, or save as. Don't forget the extension. Okay, the extension I'm going to save to chapter 1 and then lab 1. Okay, right now I write the file uh, hello world helloworld.py. It's important to save the extension .py. Click save. To run, I click on run and then click run module or press F5. Yeah, here we go. It's successful. So hello world. If I want to write welcome Prince, welcome to Python. I need to save again. Just save, file, run. Welcome to Python's hello world. Okay, if I don't want to display welcome to Python, I just use a pound sign to skip for that one. This is called comment out that line. So when Python meet the pound sign, this line, it skip, Python skip that line. Okay, right now if I run again, because I do not save, and then it's going to ask me to save again. So after I click OK, so right now it's run. So Python is easy, right? Okay, so right now I'm going to write a little bit more, a little bit more complicated, but it's not really complicated, but it's just only for the first start. Okay, right now I click lab 1. If I want to open, I just lab 1. Right now I have lab 1. I just right click and then open with. I can open with the text editor or with the idle, but make sure that I suggest you just open with the IDE called idle. So right now, so here we go. I close that one out. So okay, so what is my lab one is about? For this one, I import that time because that time do not support if I do not import. It's import from the library. So, and then today, that is a variable. One variable is called today. Today equal to that time dot that dot today. And then I use the print command. Okay, so before you are able uh, to understand about the code, I just run it out first. So start run module. Here we go. Okay, so what is it about? The first thing is I import that time to use today to get the function today. So that time dot that dot today, and then use the print function. So this is I print the column first, and then I print dash. So I print dash. How many times that I'm going to print? I print 52 times, and then I print columns again. After that, I also print dash, okay, print columns, and then after that I continue. I print dash, that is a string. I print empty space, print the space. How many times do I print right here? 52 times, and then I print column. So you see for this one that is an empty space, and this is a column. After that, I print hello world. Okay, hello, this is a fruit of the day. So you see for this one, how many that is, I print the space, and then this is the word that I display. After that, for another line, I want the indent with the indentation. I just make it more space, just press space. Okay, and then I call the parameter. So this is a magic. So this is called a magic one that I the variable today from here to display for this one. It is today. So it's going to display today is 2017 June 25th. So it's going to show today. Today is get from the function, this function. And then for the next line for this one, because you know that I don't want to print that out, so because I already use the function today. I use the variable today call from this one. So I do not need to use for that one. I just comment it out. So it does not. So it does not display. So it does not display. And another line is print, improving within neurological health. It's display as what I want to display. And then apples a day keep the doctors away. So after that, I print for this one is the same as the top one. That two line is the same to close out for the box. So everything, all this tag is inside that box. Okay, so right now I want to draw an apple. So an apple by with a by. Okay, right now just print what it is empty space. Empty space for this one I want to separate from the space from this one colon dot and colon, and then after that is we have a single quote right here. So as you know that single quote is inside the double quote. So in this way we want to display 28 empty space, and then plus the colon, plus dot colon, plus dot colon, and single quote. After that, for this one, I want to display this line. I want to display this line. So to display this line, I print out from this one to this one is 24 empty space, and then plus that line. After that, I print this line 21 space, and then I plus this line. After that, this one, okay, 20 empty space, and then with the line. And then this line is also the same thing, and then the same thing. So multiply this way, although you see that empty space is a string. So when you want to display the string 28 times, you just multiply by 28. So it's mean like string multiply with the number, it means display that string as the number you multiply. So in other programming language, you will get an error because string cannot multiply with the numeric number with the number. So this is a good way for the Python to display. Okay, so hope that you enjoyed for this program. See you soon. Bye bye.